Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Proton VPN on Android with secure core step by step clearly. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Proton VPN and tap the search icon. Locate the Proton VPN app from the search results. Tap on Install to begin downloading the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Proton VPN app. If you don't have an account, tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. If you already have an account, tap on Log In and enter your credentials. After logging in, you will see the main interface of the app. To enable Secure Core, tap on the Settings icon, usually located in the top right corner. Within the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Secure Core. Toggle the Secure Core option to enable it. You may be prompted to select a secure core server location. Choose a server location that suits your needs. Once selected, return to the main interface. Tap on the Connect button to establish a VPN connection. Wait for the connection status to change to Connected. Now your VPN is active with secure core protection. You can verify your connection by checking your new IP address within the app. To disconnect, simply tap the Disconnect button in the app. Feel free to explore other features available in Proton VPN for enhanced security. Your device is now securely connected to the internet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.